Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Oats diet plan for weight loss, which will be able to lose 10 kgs in 10 days super easily. Oats are beneficial for weight loss due to a healthy mix of fiber, complex carbs and protein. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great weight loss transformation for themselves. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with Oats diet plan for weight loss. With early in the morning empty stomach, we'll start our day with warm lemon water in which we'll be adding neem leaves to increase its diuretic properties, for skin benefits, to detoxify our system and as well as to promote good gut health. Proceeding towards our breakfast, for which I'll be giving you two options. First one is my personal favorite, which is apple oats banana smoothie. Now the recipe for apple oats banana smoothie is here. Delicious, yummy and definitely detoxification works wonders with this. It's high protein content and as well as keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day. Second option for breakfast will be my 2-minute oatmeal recipe. Oatmeal helps you feel fuller for the longer time of the day, which decreases your sugar spikes and also decreases your insulin, in turn which helps you with the great weight loss. Here is my recipe for 2-minute oatmeal. You don't have to cook it a lot or take lots and lots of time to make it. Simple it, microwave it and you're done. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, for which you can have 1 cup of green tea or matcha tea. And as you know, 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level in this type of tea is very high and amazing for weight loss in each and every content. If you cannot have this because of any reason, you can always switch to either jeera water or ajwain water. The choice is yours. Proceeding towards our lunch, and as usual before lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. 30 to 40 minutes before your lunch you'll be having 1 glass of lukewarm water in which you can add 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Mix it well and have it sip by sip warm. This will help you with several reasons. It does not spike your insulin as soon as you eat your lunch, helps you digest your lunch quicker, decreases your blood sugar levels and also helps you detoxify quickly. For lunch, I'll be giving you 3 options. The first one is oats idli. People who love having idli can always prepare oats idli. Nutritious and as well as keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day. You can have it with sambar or chutney, again great for skin benefits. Leading towards our second lunch option, Indian masala oats is here. Add lots and lots of veggies to this. Add gluten-free oats. Now the link would taste just like poha but highly low in carb and nutritious at the same manner. Third option for oats lunch will be oats roti with any seasonal sabzi plus salad and plus curd. It is very easy to prepare oats roti with oats flour. These days oats flour is very easily available at local stores. You can even prepare it at home by just blending gluten-free oats at home and preparing flour out of it. Buy gluten-free oats flour. The link is given in the description box below. You can go and check it out and buy it. The roti prepared from it is very soft and at the same time you can even carry it for your lunch in offices. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, for which you can have, if you're a tea or coffee lover, then you can have tea or coffee but preferably without sugar. Or then you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea or peppermint tea. Along with that you can have 5 to 10 roasted makhanas or 5 to 10 roasted peanuts, but no salt added to this. Proceeding towards our dinner. For dinner, we'll be keeping it very simple. First option can be oats chila or oats pancake.
Oats pancake. Prepare this recipe only in 5 minutes. It contains banana, oats, protein powder and yummy flavors. In a bowl, take 1 banana, mash it up, and try to prepare a circular flavor to it and taste oats pancake recipe, high in protein, low in fat and
oats chilla.
Now preparing this oats chilla is very easy as we prepare our normal besan chilla. All you need is oats flour, which is very easily available in the market, or you can also buy it online. The link will be in the description box below, or you can also prepare it at your home by just blending the normal oats and preparing it in a powder form. Some curd or dahi and chopped onions, tomatoes and capsicum. These 3 vegetables will be enough, and as usual the seasonings are pink Himalayan salt, black pepper powder and some red chili powder as well. Mix all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and adjust the consistency with water. Now prepare the oats chilla on a non-stick pan, and you can have approximately 2 to 3 oats chilla because they are so healthy and so filling. Along with that you can also have raita of your own choice, either cucumber raita, fruit raita or any raita of your own choice, and along with that you can also have some green chutney.
If you cannot have this because of any reason, you can simply prepare oats apple smoothie again. Super nutritious and helps you keep you fuller for the longer time of the day. It is very good to have oats in dinner because of high fiber. It does not give you constipation and helps you poop well in the morning itself, and as well as great for your weight loss also. Leading towards our bedtime drink, which is one of the most essential drinks to have before going to bed, which can be, first option is chamomile tea. Helps you relieve your nerves and as well as to relieve the stress of the entire day. Gives you a good calming sleep. Second option can be again jeera water. Helps you with water retention and bloating very quickly. Third option can be Saunf water. If you're suffering from acidity or any kind of inflammation in the body, Saunf, that is fennel, helps you kick it out and coolness in the body. So you can always have Saunf water. We boil 2 teaspoons of Saunf in 1 glass of water. Have it sip by sip before going to bed. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail for hydration and to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. With this diet plan, you will be able to lose 10 kgs in 10 days super easily, as oats are great for weight loss. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelose-more7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena, and I'll be more than happy to help you with your weight loss transformation. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal plans or recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, be notified for all the upcoming videos, recipes and weight loss tips and tricks. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.